Hey guys, this is Brian, and today we're going to build a Lego puzzle box. Now this puzzle box is 19 steps, so let's start. This is going to be the base of the puzzle box. So all of these tiles are on a 6x8 plate. So pause the video right now and copy this pattern of tiles. So for our first piece we're adding, it's this green piece, and it has this hole on both sides and a white one, which is like the green one. And you need this 4L bar. Insert the color, the bar, into these two pieces. And if you don't want to do the same color, that's fine, as long as you're doing the correct pieces. Now that you have this piece, place this piece right here. So now you have this piece. Now you need this 1x6 brick. Place it right here. This 1x1 brick with a giant hole on the back and a small one on the front. This goes here. Now you get this L-shaped brick, put it on here, a 1x1 brick, a 1x2 brick, a 1x2 brick, place it there, a 1x2 panel, this goes here, a 1x2 brick, a 2x2 brick, a 1x2 brick, a 1x1 brick, and finally a 1x1, another 1x1 brick. Now we have this 1x1 brick with this stud on one side, and you need a 1x3 tile. You place the left side you place it on the left side like this. Then you place this right here. Eventually, it should slide like this. Then you need this red axle, a red 1x2 axle. Put it here. Place the axle on the panel. And now let's make this little key. So to make it, you need to make the key, you need 4 pieces. A 1x1 plate, a 1x4 plate, push it, just put it together like that. A 1x4 tile, place it on here, And that should secure the 1x1 plate and the 1x4 plate and a 1x1 tile. So eventually your key should look like this. So now you should place this key right here. And then we have this piece we're going to make. So it's basically a 1x2 plate with 2 1x1 tiles on it. And the reason why I'm doing 1x1 tiles so I can save up on like tiles. So place that right there. And now we are ready for our second layer of the puzzle box. So to start making it, you need two 2x6 plates. Plates. And then you need this 1x1 brick with the little stud on the side and a 1x2 tile. And then it should be able to slide because there's no under tube on the tile. So you grab one of your 2x6 plates and then place the 1x1 brick there. Now you need this 1x1 Technic brick with 1 hole. One 1x4 tile. This goes here. Now you get your 2x6 plate, place it here. Now you get a 1x4 brick, place it on. And then you get a 1x6 plate. Brick, sorry. A 2x4 brick, a 1x4 brick, a 1x1 brick in transparent orange. You don't need to the same color. And then 1x2 brick. And then it should look like this. Now let's start here. So the reason why you see this piece, it's not 1x1 brick. I just couldn't find a 1x1 brick, but that's fine. So under here is 1 2x4 plate and 1 4x4 plate. And then this at the bottom right corner is a 1x1 plate, a 1x1 brick, 2 1x1 tiles. I think I talked about this tile. And then these tiles form an upside down L, a 1x2 brick and a 1x1 brick, a 1x4 tile, a 1x1 brick, and a 1x2 brick. So pause the video and copy this creation right here. Alright, now you get this piece. I think I was building it wrong. Remove this 1x2 brick and place this piece right here. Then place it right here. Now you need this 1 Technic axle, which is in yellow color. If you want to know what Lego piece this is Axle 4519. So that goes there. And then, now let's make, now let's make this piece. So it starts off with a 1x4 plate with 1x1 tile on it. Then you get this 1x2 grill piece in a 1x1 round plate, and then place the 1x1 round plate on the left side. And then once you have that done, place the creation you made on here. Now you should get something like this. Now, this is a 1x2 plate with two 1x1 tiles. Place that there. And that's it. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. And this piece goes right here with the grill side first. And then you get this 1x2 tile. Place it on here. And it should like slide. So keep that closed. And now this is a 6x8 plate, and under it is quite a lot. So we have a 1x1 plate, a 1x6 plate, a 1x1 plate resting on the top side of a 1x6 plate, a 2x6 plate, a 1x2 plate, a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 plate, a 1x3 plate, a 2x3 plate, a 2x2 corner plate, and a 1x1 plate. So pause the video and copy this. Alright. Now when you're done building this, place it right here. Make sure to give it a good squeeze so it can make all things super tight. And when you're done squeezing it, place this piece right here, like that. Now you should have something that looks like this. We're almost done. Now it's time for our third layer. So starting off, we have a 1x2 brick. Place that there. A 1x6 brick. Place it there. Two of these 1x2 bricks with 2 holes. Those go there, like that. And then a 1x6 brick. Place it right there. A 2x2 corner brick that goes there. A 1x2 brick that goes there. A 1x4 brick that goes there. a 1x6 brick. And this goes there. A 1x1 tile, which goes there. A 1x1 brick with the stud on the side, and a 1x2 transparent brick. Tile. Put it there, and then get this 1x6 brick. This goes here. A 1x1 brick. This goes here. A 1x2 brick. This goes there. And a 1x4 brick. Alright, now we are done with the third layer. Oops, and I almost forgot. This is a 1x4 axle with the stopper. So make sure it's like facing that way. Now let's make the final layer. So this is a 2x8 plate, and on top of it is our 2x4 bricks. And then on the bottom is a 4x6 plate on the top and a 2x4 plate on the bottom. And on here is a 2x8 brick. And on here is a 1x2 brick with the cross hole. And we have a 2x4 tile, a 1x3 tile, a 1x2 tile, and a 1x1 tile. So that goes right here. Make sure the cross brick is right here. That's good. And then now we have this 2x4 plate on the top and a 2x3 plate on the bottom. And then on here is a 2x2 tile, another 2x2 tile, and another 2x2 tile. And on top of it is the money piece. So that goes right here. And now we're going to make the roof. So here is the roof. On the bottom is a 4x6 plate, a 2x4 plate, a 2x2 plate, a 2x2 corner plate, a 1x1 plate, and another 1x1 plate, another 1x1 plate here, a 1x2 plate here, and a 1x4 plate. So that goes right here. And there it is, guys. You have your very own Lego puzzle box. Now, if you wanna know how to solve it, there's going to be a video in our channel. And our channel name is Brian and Maddie TV. And there it is. The entire puzzle box. Alright, I'll see you later on the next video. Peace out.